everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Dharmesh and the most awaited iMac is here and I could not wait to unbox it with you guys. The first colored iMacs, the cheapest, not so cheap but definitely the cheapest iMac ever created by Apple, and the greatest and the biggest features introduced will be covered in detail. So keep watching. Long story short, I saw the Apple event and got hooked by their marketing and was waiting to buy it since then. Thanks to the viral marketing they do, which sells the product itself. And hopefully if the product is what we expected, this is a positive sum. Before starting the unboxing, I just wanted to let you know that tons of doubts in my mind, like is this a better purchase than previous iMacs? Or will I regret for the blue color and the small screen size? So hopefully if you have these kind of doubts too, you will get clarity till the end. This video is divided into two parts. First you will see how Apple tried to gamify its opening experience, its features, and then after using, I will share my experience, what I think about this beast. So I already have opened the packaging box and kept in quarantine due to the COVID. And this is what is the brand new iMac box. This is its front side. And this is its side pose. And this is the back pose, which is a cool iMac logo. And one thing which is worth mentioning here is, I'm in love with the Apple product in general. Here are we people who procrastinate on everything, and they don't even procrastinate on the box. They even match the color vibe here too. Like, let me show you how. Like this is a dark blue, which matches the dark blue of the back. And the band is of a light blue, which matches the logo, and this one, and the front side. Now let's stop and see what is inside of this. Wow, I can see it's written hello something like. Okay, let's see. Wow, I said it will be a gamifying experience. And now let's keep it away for some time and then we will check it out later. Now this is the magic box where all the accessories of iMac 2021 lies. Let me show you one by one. This is magic keyboard. Okay, wow. This is also blue in color, which matches the overall the color of the iMac. They also changed some buttons, like they have introduced Touch ID and app search bar and Siri also. I'm a huge believer of this. Focus on what works and eliminate what don't. Now let's see what's next. Next in the magic box is magic mouse. Okay, this is also blue in color. Wow. I have been using PCs for like 5 years, so seeing wireless mouse and keyboards feels so relaxed. PCs have like a bunch of wires, and I never love wire, and hopefully no one loves wire because they make people feel messy. So rechargeable mouse and keyboard, it's awesome. Now let's see what's in us. The next on the magic box is rechargeable cables, which we can directly insert in keyboard and mouse and recharge them. Let's see what's next. Now what we can see next is power cord and power cable. This looks something like interesting and we will see the use of it next. And also here's a Ethernet port. So if you have one, it's good for you. Obviously it's not useful if you don't have one. At last, with user manual we have like bunch of stickers. That's awesome. This is the screen. I mean, this is all. It's just like an online monitor, but this is extraordinary. I remember other iMacs of previous versions, they are a lot heavy and bulky and they needed a lot of care to take around. Now let's unbox the gamifying experience. This is back packaging and this is the front packaging. Now let's unbox the gamifying experience. And so it says hello. So let's open it. Wow, it's look like glass and classy style. Okay, and then wow. Okay, then comes presenting the most gorgeous iMac ever created. This looks beautiful with light blue color and white bezels. And its back Looks so beautiful. See, process is what makes things beautiful. If you ask me, at an instant, do iMac feel that good to me? At least for instance, my answer is don't know. But do I feel good while opening? My answer is yes. Because it set my mind like I'm doing or opening something big. So, let's set everything up and talk to the Dharmesh of a week later for his intense experience.
One eternity later.
So, I have been using iMac intensively and now let's check every feature it has. Magnetic cable allows us to plug it instantly. And now let's start it. So let's get started. So now let's talk about the important thing. I've been doubting the small screen size, which is like 23.5 inch, but it's way better than I thought about it. And especially 4.5K Retina display, it's amazing. Trust me guys on this. And also, one more important thing, you can control the brightness and all the important details from the inside itself instead of using some buttons, so it's way good. And also, if you're like someone me who feels 27-inch iMac is a little bigger, then this will be a boon for you because it's neither big like 27-inch or neither small like 21-inch. I have seen like in 27-inch monitor, you have to put your eyes like twice to see the whole screen. So this is more good. Once you start using it, your eyes will set accordingly and you will start loving it. There is a light blue color in the front of us, while if you see the back, it's more dark, but I love the texture. Before purchasing, I thought like it won't look cooler, but now I absolutely think it's look cool and good. And since the logo is only on the back side, I heavily suggest that you don't put this in a corner where you can't see the back, if you want to feel like you have a Mac. This is a power on and off button. We have two Thunderbolt ports here and USB-C ports. And I also suggest that you buy a USB hub because most USBs don't support that. And also just wanted to inform you, this Mac uses a 16 ampere power cord. So make sure to buy one big holder and only then can you use it. And also other thing which is worth mentioning is, this Mac is a lot slimmer, but I still think the previous iMac used to be much slimmer than this. But still there is another thing that there are huge processor and other parts in the mid which makes it heavy and bulky. But with the M1 chip, the weight over the shoulder is relaxed. Now let's see its performance and the camera. Hey FaceTime! Hi! Can you see guys my screen? It's looking so good. I mean, I can just be live with it and I will feel good about that. Yes, some people may say that the saturation and brightness is high, but I feel it's good. Yeah, and also these people who mention like saturation and brightness is high, I just wanted to remind you guys and who are watching that won't be same for like Google Meet. It's for software specific. Okay, and let me show you performance. It is incredibly fast with the M1 chip. It's super powerful. Also, here's something I noticed. I think it's worth sharing and you might find it amusing. Here's how Apple sees other PCs and laptop box. Isn't it funny? Now let's talk about the price. Since I have been waiting from the day one, I pre-ordered it from Amazon side, which is a more promising delivery than the Apple side itself. But now you can order either from Apple and Amazon side, both works fine. The base model starts from 1,20,000 and the model which you see in this video costs around 1,40,000, which is a higher end model. It feels like butter and cream in performance and has been absolutely game changer for me and I absolutely loved it. So here's all I have to say for this video. If you found the information I said useful, make sure to hit the like button down below. And share doubts and feedback in the comment section down below. I will actively see it. And make sure to subscribe my channel for more amazing stuff. Namaste, thank you, see you on the next Monday.